this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, coming with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck. Then looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have two cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet and a USB and USB-C down there. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the underside of the steering wheel on both sides. But then you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at a digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information all together, your driver assistance settings, fuel economy, and your comm screen can also be customized a bit. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, which is always nice. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features as well, such as your driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, so when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. You'll also have your remote camera view, hazards, and traction control shut off. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and your climate controls, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your trailer brake controller and your 4x4 selector with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the other end, where you have tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there, and this button to open this hatch above your glove compartment for more storage. And then down here you have a cubby area with another USB and USB-C, and a slot for your phone while it's charging. Then you have two cup holders, two more cubbies, one which does have hidden storage underneath as well. And then your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and inside you have another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover, or actually looking at our column shifter, before I forget, you do also have select shift on here, so you can manually shift through your gears, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.